Welcome back. This is Swam from Askmefunnels. So in the previous videos, you have get access to all the free funnels and explanation how you can use these funnels in your businesses or in your sales funnel agency as affiliate marketer or whatever the purpose you want to fulfill. You have our free sales funnels to clone in your ClcikFunnels dashboard. So now, what's next? The more awesome funnels are waiting for you. Yes, we do have a lot more funnels to share with you guys. We have a lot more advanced funnel building scripts to share. We have advanced funnel strategies. We do have a business scaling strategies which help us to 10x our digital service provider agency. But this is all I am going to give you for free right now, because if you want us to continue help you with more plug and play sales funnel with no dummy data kind of shits and showing you all that things to build and scale your business online, then you need to sign up for our paid membership with one-time payment and lifetime access offer. Alright, so right now we are offering the lifetime deal which you may get. It's only for the $147 one-time payment, and you would be able to get around 200 plus plug and play sales funnels, in which around 100 plus plug and play product funnels are available, and all the business scaling training swipe files and a lot more tutorials are available inside the membership area. You can explore over here. It's are available over here. That's uh, business scaling trainings are available here, and we are regularly adding more and more trainings over here. These are the some advanced strategies available inside the membership area. When you upgrade to pro, you would be able to access the different templates for the ClickFunnels platform. This is here is the funnel vault and more CF ClickFunnels related tips and tricks available, and different funnels are available, and you can also watch a complete walkthrough of this membership area while click on the action needed now section. So we bet you if you spend more than $147 on a lot of things that give you no returns, don't you? So if you want to continue and get our personal help, go ahead and sign up now for the Ask Me Funnels paid membership. Again, it's only $147 one-time payment, and since already 40 plus people have joined for these membership plans, and there is a lot more funnels informations in the paid membership available. Even if you are not compatible with the ClickFunnels platform, you can upgrade to the VIP membership, where you would be able to explore all the funnels in ClickFunnels platform plus on the WordPress based platforms. All right, so if you will need any kind of the questions or any kind of support, just head over to the need support sections and type your inquiry. Let's say if you want to understand what is the VIP membership. All right, so you would be able to get answer all the related to the VIP membership and all answers over here. And even if you are ready to after getting your, if you are have received your answer, you can click on the click here to upgrade, know more about the VIP membership, and you can join the VIP membership. So guys, keep note that these membership plans are for the lifetime deal is all only available for the first 50 users, since 40 users already have joined these membership. So I request you, if you are looking for the plug and play sales funnels and more funnels to just to hook you and make you understand that we can help you, you have also explored our free funnels plus free trainings and more free swipe files. And now if you want to scale your business with your funnels, and if you want to launch your own 5-figure agency, 5-figure per month agency, you should definitely upgrade to sales funnel marketplace built up by Askmefunnels. This kind of deal will not be available over anywhere on the internet. Alright, so just what you need to do is just tap below to know more what you are going to have if you go pro with the Askmefunnels. Just click over here and you would be able to understand what you are going to have if you upgrade to the your membership area. All right, thanks for watching. So if let's see you in the next video.